Hi guys, welcome to Cindy in LA. Today, I'm gonna do unboxing from 22S collection. These are actually all shoes and this one was really hard to get. So before unboxing, I want to introduce a company. So I'm wearing their dress and ear cuff, ring. Also, this can be ear cuff. The company name is Sandal Paris, and they have like little bit unique style, like avant-garde style, which I like as well. Use my promo code Cindy10. So this dress, I'm gonna show you later more shot, the whole look, but you can see the dress little bit unique style, like this. Yeah. So it's like unbalanced, little bit unique style. And they have a very unique jewelry. You can see the ear cuff, very unique ear cuff, like this. Yeah, it's ear shape, very unique. I like it. And also, there's a silver and gold together, so you can match with any silver tone or gold tone jewelries as well. So this one is originally ear cuff. I bought two. It doesn't come as a set. You can wear as a ring. Also, you can wear as ear cuff. Yeah, you just put here and see, it become ear cuff. You can put two if you like. Also, this one you can wear following your ear shape. Very unique. I love it. Yeah, I like this kind of ear cuff. A little bit rock chic style, but not just feminine. If you like this kind of look, go to the link and use my promo code Cindy10, then you get 10%. Yeah, so now let's do unboxing. So I got these three shoes, and the bottom one, I was waiting, I think for like 6 months. I was trying to reserve, but my essay said this is sold out, discontinued or sold out. This sandal is from 22S collection, the current collection. I loved it because it was so comfortable. So you can see the buckle here, but you don't need to open and close. You can just wear like a slipper, slingback style, I would say. So easy to wear and take off. And it's almost like flat. And there are 3 different height for the heel. This one is the lowest one, 1.2 inch. And there is a middle height, which is 2.6 inch. And there is also 3.3 inch high heel as well. It's gonna be perfect for daily item. Since this is black color, I can match with any clothes outfit. So I loved it. But I think this can be controversial style because there's all over Chanel logo. Some people might not be comfortable with this kind of bling bling style, I would say. Yeah, but I am okay with this. I love this Chanel logo all over. And there were so many color as well. There was like black, white, yellow, blue, pink. Pink, also there's like dark pink and light pink. So many color option for this sandal. I think this is gonna be really trend for this season. And I love this, very comfortable, low heel. So this one, you can go for your original size. Usually I wear 37.5. And this one is 37.5, made in Italy. Price is in USA $11.25, and it's really snug fit, comfortable. So I highly recommend this sandal. Wow! So this is from 22S collection, and this is the highest height actually. So actually it's the same style as this one I got, but as you can see, this is lowest height for the heel and highest. So this one was 1.2 inch and this one is 3.3 inch. So usually, as you know, I cannot wear high heel, but this was so comfortable. You have to open and close this buckle. This one, you don't need to open the buckle at all. You can just wear as a like slingback style. So it's very comfortable. This one, I got my usual size 37.5. This one, I got 38. For flat, you can go your size. This one, you can go one half size up. The material, printed lambskin. But I think this is really sturdy, so pretty. This is perfect for any like dress. This one you can wear with just jean, casual style, so I like both. So the price, as I mentioned earlier, this one was $1,125 in USA, and this one is $1,300. And there is a medium heel between these two. That one is $1,250. So you can choose the height you like and also the color. There are so many options for the heel height and also the color. So choose what you like. Now let me open this one. This is really hard to get. I was surprised I could get. My essay said actually it's gonna come back for the FW22 season. So yeah, I'll talk about it quickly after I unbox. This is very rare. Not easy to get, but I got it. So Let me open. So this is a very rare item, but I could see from current fashion show, the FW 22, 23, it's gonna come back, they're saying. Ta-da! Yeah, this is made of kind of rubber material, rain boots, caoutchouc. I think it's rubber. Yeah, and you can see this Chanel logo. Oh my god, so pretty. And you can see Chanel logo even here. I love it. Fashion show you watch it recently. That collection will be launched this September. So they're gonna bring more color, not just black color. They're gonna bring beige color as well. This was very hard to get, this rainbow. I was even looking for from like a reseller market, but I couldn't find any because once people buy, they don't sell this. They keep it. So yeah, it's very rare item. You can wear not just on rainy day. This is like as a fashion, so chic. You can match with any like white dress like this. I'm gonna show you more shot later, but I love it. And the size is 38. I just like a snug fit for the rainbow, so I got 38 size. My usual size 37.5, but I think it comes just like every 10, so like 37, 38 like that. So I got 38. So the price of this rain boot is in USA $975. The price is less than $1,000. Can you believe? I mean, it's not made of leather, but still, this is really good deal and hard to get, rare item. I am so happy to get this one. So these three shoes are from same collection, 22S, current one. So I couldn't believe I could get this rare item. As I mentioned earlier, it's gonna come back this September. They're gonna bring it back. So wait for that collection if you wanna get this one. But if you're lucky, maybe this season you might get this rain boots as well. So good luck.